The world's best-selling SUV has completely evolved. Meet the 2026 Toyota RAV4 Hybrid XSE, the definitive sport-styled flagship of Toyota's all-new 6th-generation lineup, riding on a stiffer, more rigid architecture with aggressive sport styling, a two-tone contrasting roof, and sharper handling dynamics. The XSE proves that supreme fuel efficiency and driving fun can coexist. Welcome back to DRX Automobi. Today we're breaking down its striking hammerhead redesign, upgraded 5th-generation hybrid punch, sport-calibrated suspension, and next-gen Arena digital cockpit. The 6th-generation RAV4 introduces a much bolder visual identity, and the XSE wears it best. Embracing Toyota's modern hammerhead front end, it features crisp, angular fenders, contoured hood, and a distinct two-tone paint layout featuring a gloss black roof. Sitting on sporty 19-inch alloy wheels, the XSE isn't just about looks, its chassis benefits from a 9.7% increase in overall body rigidity and a sport-tuned suspension setup that eliminates body roll and sharpens cornering. Response. Beneath the sculpted hood lies Toyota's refined 5th-generation hybrid system, teaming a 2.5-liter 4-cylinder engine with electric motors and standard electronic all-wheel drive. The XSE pumps out a smooth 236 horsepower while maintaining class-leading efficiency. Whether you're commuting through dense stop-and-go traffic or carving up a twisty back road, the seamless power delivery and selectable sport mode give the XSE an energetic, responsive kick without punishing your fuel budget. Step inside, and the cabin feels light years ahead of the previous generation. A massive 12.3-inch digital instrument cluster pairs with an available 12.9-inch floating infotainment. Touchscreen running Toyota's advanced Arena software platform, it features lightning-fast wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, dual Bluetooth connections, and an upgraded voice assistant. Safety-wise, it debuts Toyota Safety Sense 4.0, utilizing enhanced sensors and neural net capabilities to provide next-level driver protection, starting around $50,900 MSRP. The 2026 Toyota RAV4 Hybrid XSE successfully bridges the gap between everyday family utility and head-turning sport styling. Is this sleek hybrid your top pick for the ultimate dietol crossover? Drop your thoughts in the comments below, hit subscribe for DRX Automobi, and we'll see you in the next breakdown.